I hear us behind the door. White houses and blue doors. Tunisia is full of colors. The magic door is glowing. Hello, Milo. Hello, new friend. We are new friends. Welcome to Tunisia, Milo.
Thank you, Jasmine.
Our Tunisia adventure starts now. Follow me. I will show you Tunisia. Wow, thank you, Jasmine. My first steps in Tunisia. It is so bright and beautiful. Look, a magic jasmine flower. The jasmine light is showing us the way. Let's follow it. Look! A blue door. Wow! I see blue windows. The houses are white and bright. White houses look so clean. Pink flowers make the street happy. Blue, white, and pink. So many colors. The jasmine light is taking us to the market. This market is full of colors. Wow! This is makroud, a Tunisian sweet. Yummy! This sweet is delicious. These lamps shine so beautifully. This is warm green tea with mint. It smells so fresh. I see big baskets and small baskets. So many baskets. The golden basket has a new clue. The golden path is showing us the way. These old stones tell a story. I found a star stone. Wow! This wall has pictures from long ago. I see a star, a sun, and waves. The clue is pointing to the blue sea. Wow! Wow, we are at the beach. Wow! We are at the beach. The sand is soft. Milo, look at this. Wow, that is pretty. I found a seashell. The waves are gentle. The shell has a new clue. Wow! The desert is so big and golden. The sand is warm and soft. The desert has a new clue. The golden trail is taking us somewhere green. This is Coco. Hello, friends.
Welcome to the desert.
Hello, Coco. An oasis is a green place in the desert. The water is cool and blue. The palm trees are tall and green. The palm leaf has a new clue. The desert sunset is beautiful. The magic jasmine helped us. Hello, friends. Welcome to Djerba. Hello, Noura. Wow! We are on an island. The boats are colorful and pretty. The flamingos are pink and tall. The fish are small and fast. We learned so many new things.
friends forever.
Goodbye, Tunisia. We will come back.